Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a pro chatting app. So in the previous chatting app, what we did was we could not put our names and chat, so it was like no name chat. That's what we named last time. But in today's video I'll be teaching you how to put a text box where you can enter your name and then chat, so that whoever is chatting with you can get to know that to whom that person is chatting. So this is a very simple application actually, but what we will be doing is we'll be doing this which is similar to WhatsApp. Okay guys, so first what we'll have to there are many ways you can do this. So there are kind of two ways. So first way is you want the person should enter his or her name um, all whenever that person opens the application, or once he or she downloads the application and then starts using, enters the name and starts using, and again there is no need to enter the name like that. So for that, if you wanted the second type, then about 5 to 6 blocks of code extra with a tiny db is needed. So yeah, it's your wish how you can do that. Let's see if possible. I will teach both the ways. Okay, so first you need to just go to layout, put a vertical arrangement, keep the height and width as fill parent, like this. Okay, so once you do that, here just keep this center. Yeah, now go to user interface and drag and drop a text box, label, and a button with some this horizontal or any arrangement, just to give some space. Here I'm just giving a little bit space. No, just for now I just have kept this. Okay, so the label text is gonna be enter your name to continue. Yeah, and now let me just keep this font bold, and the font size can be 20, maybe 20 should be good. Okay, and background color, let's keep the background color white. Sorry, not this one should be none. And this vertical arrangement background color should be white. Yeah, okay, or yeah, let me just keep this black. And come on man, yeah, and the label can be the text color can be white, like this. Okay, so it's like some kind of good, I just felt. And this one you will have to keep, I'll just change all this stuff and I'll show you. So you can see, just keep the background color as none, and the height, this one I just kept 5%, and this one I have kept 3%, as you can see. And now here you can see this is the button. Here you can just what can we put, like chat. Let's keep it as chat. Yeah, okay, so here is chat, and I'll just keep the font bold, and I will increase the font size as well. So guys, as you can see, here we have kept it as chat, and this is how it looks. And yeah, now let's modify this text box, and I'll just keep the height a little bit more, like say 2%. Sorry, not 2, not 2. 3. No, 3 is also very less. Let's go with 5.5 or something. Oh, okay. Yeah, fine. This is good. And the width can be 8. No, not 8, not 8. Like 10. 10 is also not. So the text box height is 5% and the width is 55%. So the hint is enter your name. Okay. So yeah, here we have done with this. Let's change the font interface. No, this is the same like this, or shall we keep it monospace? Yeah, let's use this type. And yeah, that was the font interface. And let's rename this vertical arrangement to name. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. It says name arrangement. So let's uncheck this visible thing like this. Okay, so guys, this is the here we'll have to put the chat arrangement. So yeah, I had already taught you how to make a chatting app, but I have removed that video. Like YouTube did not remove that, I actually removed that. So yeah, I will teach you in this video how to do the chatting app. Take another vertical arrangement, keep the height and width as fill parent. Take a horizontal arrangement and keep the width as fill parent, but the height should be automatic. Insert a button, text box and a button, something like this. Keep the width height as fill parent, and you can just remove the hint as well, or you can also use this multi-line option to like go to the next line. It's your wish. Rename this button as clear, and this button you can also change the colors as well, and rename the other button as send. So this is how the interface should look like. So as I said, we'll be doing like similar to WhatsApp. So let's take this horizontal arrangement and sorry, not horizontal, vertical arrangement, and here you can see align horizontal, sorry, not horizontal, vertical. You have to choose that to bottom. So in the WhatsApp